ultra-real shallow DOF push toward tiny blind nestling in a reed bed cup nest, soft natural light. Imagine waking up to a stranger you didn't invite every day. That's a cuckoo chick. Female cuckoos sneak an egg into another bird's nest, timing the drop to match color and size. The foster parents raise the imposter, often at the cost of their own young. The cuckoo chick grows fast and sometimes boots rivals out. Survival by eviction. Evolution turned deception into strategy. Clever, ruthless, and oddly brilliant. Nature's egg swap mystery. Photoreal lingering close of the chick in the nest. Soft resolve, gentle fade out.